So, I've come across something that is probably really highly contradicting to your typical quack doctor's message. However, this is a quack treatment. Now, I've never seen this before until today, so it might be this is the first time that I've come across it. But time and time again, I've been told by quacks on their website and quack supporters that chemotherapy is bad and they don't use it because it doesn't work. It's got all these horrible results. But I found something called what they call insulin chemo. Yes, insulin chemo. Now, this is where it starts to get rather weird, because what they essentially do is they on purpose give you a shot of insulin, which to begin with lowers your blood sugar levels. When that happens, they give you a low level dose below any effective actual of what the chemo is actually meant to do, dose of chemotherapy, and then they give you another dose of sugar to bring you back up afterwards. Now, the whole idea is that then it's meant to interact and deal with your tumour. Now, if this was real chemotherapy and they were getting the real actual dose, there wouldn't be a problem. However, because they are giving such a low-level dose of chemotherapy drugs to someone who might have cancer, the problem is that their strain of cancer might even become resistant to chemotherapy based on that low level. And as I said at the beginning, the amount that they are giving is below any levels that can be proved to be effective. So, and just to really get the nail in the coffin, recently Chris Walk has promoted a woman, I can't remember her name now, but it's been promoting a woman who promotes this. And it's insane. And then I'm going to leave a link down below to Quackwatch, and as usual, there is no evidence for it to be tested, that it's been tested successfully, and there's very little cases that it will work. And as usual, people are going to these quacks, getting that treatment, because they are convincing them, oh, don't worry, it's only like a low level of chemotherapy, it won't affect you. But as I've said before, all these quacks time and time again have said, oh, chemotherapy is bad and it's evil. But here you are, a quack treatment that offers a very low level dose of chemotherapy that chances are will make the cancer immune to any actual chemotherapy that patient might have to have. Does this surprise me? To be honest, very little surprises me at this point.